In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment plan in HoneyBook with a focus on setting up recurring payments. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, keeping track of payments can be a bit of a juggling act, but with HoneyBook, it's simple and straightforward. Let's dive into the process so you can easily manage installment payments for your clients. First, you'll want to open the project you're working on. Go ahead and navigate to the project section where all your client interactions are organized. Find your client's project. Now that you got the project open, the next step is to create a new file. This is where the magic begins. Click on Create File and select Recurring Invoice. This option allows you to set up a series of payments rather than collecting a full payment upfront, which can be a more manageable option for many clients. After setting up your invoice, it's time to add the services or packages the client will be paying for. This could be anything from a photography package to additional services you might be offering. Listing these services in detail ensures both you and the client are on the same page about what's included in the payment plan. Now let's set up the payment plan itself. You'll need to enter a few important details: the total amount to be paid, the number of installments you want to break this total into, and the due dates for each of these installments. You have the flexibility to choose how often payments are due, whether it's weekly, monthly, or perhaps on a custom schedule that fits both your needs and your clients. Clearly defining due dates is crucial for maintaining a smooth transaction process. Once all the details are set, you can send the invoice to your client. Simply hit the send button. When your client receives this invoice, they will be able to review all the information, provide their signature, and make payments online. This feature is especially handy as it streamlines the payment process for both parties involved. Finally, a big relief for you as the business owner is that HoneyBook automatically tracks all payments. This includes installments that have been paid as well as reminders for upcoming due dates. You won't have to worry about manually tracking every payment or reminding clients about upcoming dates, as HoneyBook's system handles all of this automatically. And there you have it, a seamless way to set up a recurring payment plan in HoneyBook. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth transaction process for both you and your client, allowing you to focus more on your work and less on chasing payments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.